Peace, gods and goddesses. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Home Living. Subscribe now if you haven't already. We are going on vacation. And before I do, I have to try on everything to see if it's a go. So y'all let me know in the comment section if it's a go or not. What's your favorite outfit? What is a yes? What is a no? What look do you like best? Let me know in the comment section, guys. I would love your engagement. We got beach vibes. We got grown and sexy vibes. We got family vibes. We got cute, sunshiny day vibes. Listen, I had a lot of fun recording this content. Sometimes you really don't even know how good you look, sis. Listen, I stay in chill mode so often on my humbleness. You feel me? Sometimes you gotta jump in your bag real quick and let people know and let yourself know. You know, what's that quote? You can't be too humble, or they'll start acting like you ain't you. Don't forget who you are, sis. And don't forget to enjoy life. We be momming, we be working, steady mobbing. But listen, don't forget to enjoy life. Make the best of it. Make the most out of it. I hope you enjoyed this content, this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Let me know what you guys liked in the comment section, and see you on the next one. Peace.